Hello, Honors Earth and Astronomical Science students. We're piling through our work here and we're finally into the astronomy sections. So last week you just finished chapter 21 of our kind of introduction to astronomy and a little bit of the history of astronomy and night sky basics. Now we're hitting chapter 22 and we're going to talk more about our solar system. So to start off, you're going to study about the formation of our solar system with the nebular hypothesis, then dive into the specifics of each planet. Now with this section, I like to bring in chapters on the ocean and the atmosphere, mainly because we're going to talk about other planets, so it's interesting to learn more about our own ocean and how it evolved, and then our own atmosphere, then how we can look at oceans and atmospheres or water content on other planets. Okay, so we're going to backtrack a little bit and take just brief sections of those, so please read the reading guide. That's going to guide you to what are the important sections in the oceans and the atmospheres chapters. Okay, so you are expected to know some of those materials, but use the reading guide and the lecture notes so you know what's important. Okay, otherwise this week, besides your looking through the reading guide, the lecture notes, and taking that review quiz, you also, of course, have the discussion board to participate in, a fun one this week about whether or not Pluto should still be a planet. Okay, and have you start thinking about what is the definition of a planet, what makes a planet a planet. So even think about extrasolar planets and how we define those as planets. And then also remember you're working on your assignment number 2, which is your astronomy research project. So this week we're working on part 2, which is developing that survey. So the questions that we talked about in class just today were really good. Your questions look detailed and you're really thinking about what's important, what do you think is important for the general public to understand about astronomy. All right, so develop those survey questions, get them back to me and I'll give you feedback. All right, so good luck on your studies this week and I will see you guys on Thursday.